I gave Claude a single instruction, help me build an online brand from scratch. And within just a couple of minutes, it gave me a full-on step-by-step business plan, product research, brand identity, website, and a complete content strategy. Today, I'm not just going to tell you what Claude told me, I'm going to walk you through every single step and tool that you need to be able to start your first online brand from scratch, step by step, laid out in a simple way. So let's get started. My name is Vince, and before we will jump into it, let me be real for a second. It took me a lot of time to be able to be successful online with my different businesses. And back when I started, we didn't have AI, so we had to do everything manually. But nowadays, the reality is a lot different. You can move faster, you can test ideas faster, and launch businesses from scratch to generating your first revenue very quickly. But the thing is, AI is not about removing the work part of running a business at all. It's about speeding up parts of the process so you can move much faster. So when it comes to launching an online brand, here's how I want you to think about it. Claude is going to be your overall strategist and assistance with the whole process. And then AutoDS, Build Your Store AI, and Create UGC are going to be the platforms that allow you to actually execute those steps. One gives you the plan, the other gives you a machine to build it. So the very first thing I'm going to do is open up Claude and type in this exact prompt. I want to launch an online web shop using organic dropshipping and also some paid ads. I have no products picked yet, no website or any following. Walk me through every single step I need to take in order to take this brand from zero to my first sales. When I type this in, this is basically the roadmap that Claude gave me. Step 1, find a winning product. Step 2, create an actual brand identity around that product. Step 3, build your online store. Step 4, start creating content, drive sales, and start running some ads. And then step 5, stay consistent until this compounds. That's the entire roadmap. Those are all the steps that we need to take. So let me walk you through which tools we are going to be able to use to be able to make this happen. So the first step is going to be product research. This is the core of everything, because if you don't have a product that people actually want to buy and are actually intrigued by because it's new, it's interesting, then it's going to be very difficult to compete with all of the other huge retailers and also online stores like Amazon or Walmart. The product that you choose has to be something that's scroll stopping and genuinely interesting to people, and not just something where they could walk into their local store and buy it for $5. So let's actually go ahead and find this product together. This is where our first tool, AutoDS, comes into the picture, which you can actually sign up for in the description down below and grab a 3-day trial for just $1. Once you open up AutoDS, this is how it's going to look, and you can see that they have a bunch of tools here that can help you to find winning product. And the best part is, any of these products that you like, you're going to be able to later on import into your online store in just a click. So we have a trending products category right here where you can filter by all of these different categories and see which are some of the best sellers that people are currently selling successfully online. And then we also have hand-picked products where you can again add further adjustments to your search to find something that you really like. Just as an example, the first thing I found right here is this bamboo couch armrest. This is super cool, right? Because people all the time have this problem where they are trying to drink something and also they need to charge their phone while they are sitting on their sofa. So this product actually has quite a wow factor. Of course, if we spent even more time searching through this platform, we could find probably even more interesting products, but you know, this one looks pretty interesting at first sight. And the best part about AutoDS is that it even gives you engagement score, saturation score, the target audience that you can be marketing this towards, and all of these are data that you can later on use in your marketing and even in your website copy, right? You can also see ads that people are running for this. You can find competitors who are selling this product and at what price points. And it even gives you, what you can potentially profit on this. So you can see the item cost here is $19.99, and it also ships in about 15 days to the US. It's currently being sold for around $65, $75. So you can make a good amount of profit on this if your store and everything else is optimized. And you can also see how many reviews that specific product has. If I went into, let's say, the trending products, you are going to be able to sort by, for example, sales performance, right? And this way you can very easily find some of these products which are absolute best sellers and have sold tons of units. Now, ideally what you want to do, right, is find something that's still relatively new, so not everybody else is selling it, but is getting really good traction. I mean, you can see this one actually sold more than 1.3 million units, which is absolutely insane. Now, once you found a product that you actually like and you think that it could be a good fit, what you want to do is go back into Claude and ask it, is this a strong organic dropshipping or even paid advertisement dropshipping product? You can also feed it the ideal customer data that AutoDS gives you and even ask for more details from Claude. Who is the target buyer? What problem does it solve? And what would make someone stop scrolling and want to buy this? And here's something that makes this whole process even more powerful. AutoDS rolled out Claude MCP server, so Claude can actually directly connect with your AutoDS account, and then the data is being fed into it in real time, and it can use the platform as well without you having to actually open AutoDS. So this can be insanely powerful because Claude can now directly search the entire AutoDS catalog by keywords, price, and shipping time, and it can find winning products for you, generate full-on store reports, audit your product listings, and even upload and publish products directly into your store. So Claude isn't just advising you here, it's actually doing a lot of the heavy lifting for you. Then once you found your winning product, we need to actually start building your brand identity. So go back into Claude and write it something like this. My product is fill in the blank. The target audience is, then you describe what the target audience is. Help me create a brand name for the store, brand tagline, a brand voice, and also a product description that feels very premium and will speak to my ideal customers. After that, Claude is going to give you all of these details that you need to get started selling. The difference between a store that actually converts and one that just gets visitors is how well it actually speaks to the target audience. So this step is just equally as important as finding the right product. Now, once we have the product, we have the actual description and all of the things that we need to make good copy and marketing material, we need to actually build your store. Now, back in the day, this would take thousands of dollars in development costs, or it would take your time and probably tens and tens of hours of it. But nowadays, it's actually way easier than that. There is an app called Build Your Store AI, which I will leave in the description down below, where it basically builds your entire store in just a couple of minutes completely for free. Once it's built, you can go and fully customize it, change all of the copy, you can plug in your brand name, your logo, and import the exact products that you want to start selling from AutoDS directly into it with just a click. For a beginner, this is genuinely a game changer because building your website shouldn't be the part that takes you the longest, right? It should be actually going out there and marketing your product. And then once we have our product, we have our brand identity, and we even have our store ready, the next step is to actually start promoting it. Whether you're doing this through organic content or ads, I'm going to talk in this video more about the organic route, but you can also find some amazing, very simple videos on creating high converting paid ads with AI UGC as well. But yeah, this is the part that a lot of people either just completely rush or get wrong. So now go back to Claude and type in something along these lines. I have my product, which is fill in the blank, and the brand is targeting fill in the blank audience. What type of content should I be posting on TikTok and Instagram to drive organic sales? Give me 10 different content angles. And here, ideally, you want to give it even more context. So feel free to add in your store and any extra details that you can about your product and the audience that you are serving. After this, Claude is going to generate a full-on content strategy for you. Different hooks, different angles, different formats that are proven to actually work on other people's stores. You want to create content that genuinely feels like a discovery and something that makes people think, wow, I really need this product in my life. And you don't want it to feel just like another ad that they are seeing online. Now, this is where Create UGC comes in, which is also another tool from the same company where you can simply just copy and paste your product link in there, choose one of their AI avatars or even create your own, and then it can generate the script for you for the UGC ads and then actually put your product in these videos using AI technology so that you can generate these organic AI videos or even ads in just a couple of clicks. I will also leave a link in the description down below for that tool. But the best part is they also have a free trial, so you can try it out for yourself before paying for anything. And then finally, now that you have all of these things in order, you can actually start posting these organic videos and analyzing what worked and what didn't work. So you want to, first of all, be consistent. The this is one of the biggest things, right? Most people just post 5 or 6 videos and then call it a day. That's not enough in today's day and age. You want to be posting at least daily. And then your analytics are going to tell what's actually working and what isn't. You really want to be paying attention mainly to your hook rate, like what percentage of people actually stay after the first 5 to 10 seconds, because that's going to be one of the biggest signs if your content is on the right track or you need to adjust your script. So here's the entire recap for this video. Claude gave us the entire roadmap, helped us find a winning product through AutoDS. Then we were able to create a brand identity from that product. Then we built our entire store using Build Your Store AI, and then used Create UGC to create our first couple of creatives. The strategy here is very simple and clear, and the tools are right in front of you. So all that's left now is to actually get started and execute on this. I know that when you're first starting out, it's very easy to be caught up in the ideas and start overthinking things, but the main thing is just to get started and actually move with speed. I know because I experienced this firsthand, where this month we were able to take a brand new business using AI from zero to over $10,000 in sales in just 2 weeks. We made the landing page in just 1 day, started running ads, and started selling really quickly, right? It didn't take us months to get started. We just took absolute massive action quickly. So that's the same principle that you want to use in your life as well if you want to be competing with other people and getting results in 2026. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what questions you have in the comment section down below, and I will see you in the next one.